Here is how to animate arrows in Premiere Pro. Highlight your arrow graphic in the timeline and go over to Effect Controls. Then click on Motion and adjust your arrow starting position on the screen. Now click the keyframe icon next to position to set your first keyframe. Move your timeline slider ahead 1 second. Click on Motion again and adjust the position of your arrow to be further away from your subject. Now move your timeline slider ahead another second. Then hold down the Alt key and drag the first keyframe to copy it to the current position. Continue moving your timeline slider ahead 1 second and then duplicating the previous keyframe for as long as you want the animation to last. To smooth out the movement, highlight all your keyframes and right-click. Select Tempo Interpolation and choose Ease In. Then do it again, but select Ease Out this time.